Alright, keep going. This is round 2. Oh, now it's trying to fly. Well, we need to put this fucker out of this misery. Okay. That didn't work. Keep doing it, keep doing it. What the fuck are you doing?
I can't see it.
Yeah, you can. Zoom in. Get real close.
I don't want to scare it.
I gotta blast this motherfucker.
It's stuck on the branch. It died. No, it didn't.
One more. Why you're a horrible video camera person. Alright, this is the last one. This motherfucker has to die.
Okay, I see it. What the hell? I think it died. Did it?
That's dead.
You sure?
That is definitely a dead bird.
Why is it not breathing?
Yes!
Oh my god, there's blood!
There's blood! Oh shit!